Ano tama ako? For the first time loud and clear. What's your word? Hospital. Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, wow!
Thank you very much. You may sit down next. Wait. You are the type of person na you care for people. It has something to do with, you were there years ago, this has something to do with what you do. Here. Yes, think of the last letter of your word. E. Tama? E, last letter? Are you thinking of, I hope I'm correct, but word nurse? Yes, thank you!